what I announced this month is I'm officially saying that we have a mascot for non-beta, which is the Pastel Panthers. And so when me and Raul started talking about collab stuff, because I know him from way back, the reason I chose a panther as a mascot is because I feel like it's not used a lot, and I feel like I could change the idea of it. And like the Pastel Panthers, just adding that one word, the pastel part of it, adds a little more variety to it. So as a designer, it brings a whole nother connotation, a new feeling to the brand. And like, so adding a mascot and the case studies I used.
And it doesn't even have to be related to it, because even the hundreds is like when you think about it, you're wondering like, okay, what does it mean? But then putting a mascot to it, you start to at least have some visuals if you can't connect it, right? What do you think made this successful? What do you think? Logo or mascot for a brand that's starting out and is starting to build out their brand identity? Should they focus on a logo or should they go for a mascot? And when should they choose either one?
Great question. Definitely, I would start with the logo. I mean, it's almost like it's day one. Start with a logo. And then like, even if you come up with a mascot, like maybe at the same time as a logo, I would give it some time to settle in. I wouldn't drop it at the same time.